Good morning, my dear friends. I'm happy to be standing here today as the president of this music club. Thank you so much, everyone, for believing in me. Let me share with you how my journey started in this club. I've joined this club since 2019. I love music and I wanted a platform to be able to improve my skills. This past 2 years, I not only improved my skills, I met great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. I would like to thank my mentor, Miss Jenna, for teaching me about music. She taught me how to play most instruments and how they work. She also taught me how to be in pitch and tune and how to play most songs, melodies, and chords. Some instruments she taught are piano, violin, guitar, and many more. I would like to thank my schoolmates for their encouragement. We never gave up and continued practicing together, even on days when there were no classes. We never gave up on one another. I would also like to thank my parents for their support. Without them, I would not think I would be able to go this far. They supported me by paying for all my classes and encouraged me to continue trying and even sometimes helping me with music. For our new members, our club has a lot of benefits. They are 1. Instrument, accessories, equipment, and other things needed will be provided by the school, but you cannot bring them home. Number 2, if you want to practice after school or when there are no club meetings, you can go to Wanodama, show your student ID card, and pick out an instrument or instruments you are interested in and equipment needed for 40% off. And lastly, number 3, we will go on field trips and visit many different places where you not only learn how to play most instruments and listen to music, but also the history and what there is to know about music. I'll be serving for 1 year as president of this music club. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. There are a few things in my plan which I will carry out. Number 1, I promise there will be a larger range of advanced equipment and instruments for us to use. Number 2, we will work hard together and make it to at least the finals of a music tournament. And number 3, the amount of members this year will increase from 50 members to 80 members. Now, I'll not be able to do this by myself. That is why I need all of you. Teamwork makes the dream work. I will serve with all my heart and give my very best for this club. Thank you.